Hi there, I'm Brina and I'm the intern and graduate recruiter from Microsoft Ireland. I'm here today with Andre from the GPDE group, Global Product Development team here in Ireland, and Alexia from the Office team, and they're going to tell us a little bit about their groups and the intern positions we have available this year. So why don't we start with you, Andre? Can you tell me a little bit about your team here and what you do?
Okay, so my team is part of the Global Product Development Europe, and we essentially do core development in several areas. We do data visualization software for large Microsoft search providers like Bing. We do mobile applications for Hotmail Mobile and Windows Live. And we do a lot of services for Microsoft's cloud infrastructure, including Windows Azure. And my team is actually developing part of Microsoft's content delivery network, which is a global system of distributed caches, which allows users to have very quick access to Microsoft's media content like images, video streams, or even just applications by pushing them to servers close to user endpoints. So if you are, let's say, browsing video content or pictures on Microsoft's websites, you're basically pulling them off from Microsoft's Edge servers or Microsoft's content delivery network.
Great. Alexia, tell us about your team.
Okay, my team is the Office Ireland Development Team, and my team are split into two different parts. There's a features part that work on the Office Online. They're specifically working on community features for Office Online, the next version of it. And the other part of the team is the tools team. And the tools team are involved in creating utilities and applications that help us with the Office localization project, so that Offices can be localized in over 100 different languages all across the world.
Wonderful. So Andre, can you tell us a little bit about what you think of as the essential requirements for an intern here at Microsoft Ireland?
Okay, so for an intern, it's not so much about your knowledge, it's more about your attitude. Are you creative? Are you inquisitive? Do you want to be on top of the field? Do you want to learn from the pros how development is made? And in the process of that, you will gain a lot of knowledge here in Microsoft Internship program.
Excellent.
And if that is not enough, we have a graduate program after you're finished.
Perfect. So Alexia, I know that you've had interns in your team before. So, for you, what's the difference between a good intern and a really outstanding intern, one that you would, recommend for the graduate program?
Outstanding interns generally are incredibly curious, and they have their set job that they go to every single day, but they see opportunities in other parts of the business. So let's say if they're working on a tool in C#, but they're interested in web development or in managing projects, they see their skills in this way, and they also can perhaps suggest something that some of their team members might actually have thought of. Generally, when interns join our team, they have the same kind of roles and responsibilities that full-time members have. So they're treated like an equal part of the team. So I guess that they have to be curious, they have to be inventive, and they have to be passionate about what they do.
Great. So Andre, why should a student consider an internship at Microsoft? They probably have a few different options. So, what would make this a really unique opportunity for them?
What would make this a really, really unique opportunity for them is, first of all, to learn from the pros, to work on projects that are actually used by millions of people, and to feel like what it's like having a big impact by actually contributing. So not working on trivial stuff, but actually contributing to the project at hand. They will learn a lot. They will be in touch with a whole host of people who are very specialized in their areas. They will have access to a great number of learning tools. They will learn about agile development methodologies. They will learn about how large software is developed. And of course, they will learn a lot of development and coding experience.
Excellent. So, Alexia, can you tell us sort of some tips and tricks for how candidates for internship should prepare for their interviews with us?
Okay, the interviews themselves focus on not only your technical ability, but also your interpersonal ability as well. If I was advising someone who's going for an interview here at Microsoft for an intern position, I would tell them to brush up on their coding skills, because they're going to be asked questions about programming, network, security, but also to talk about what projects interest them in college themselves, and they brought to the table in terms of development, in terms of project management, and in terms of their passion for technology.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.